At the beginning of the semester, we started off reading 2 short stories. And then I had you write a bunch of free writing exercises about character development, about the denouement, about the scene setting, about the voice of the writer. And what happened was, after all of those free writing exercises, you realized that you had generated a lot of material that you could use in your first essay about those 2 short stories. So we're going to have some very similar exercises to that in the last 4 weeks of the semester. What I'd like you to do is look at those exercises and say, is there something interesting about the rhythms in this poem or song? Is there something interesting about the sound effects in this poem or song? Is there something interesting about the character development or the ending of the song or the poem? These are all subcategories that you can use to develop a sub-argument about the poem and song that you're writing about. So that's one approach I'd like you to take. There's another one. I'd like you to look into the topic of the poem and song and see if you can find something that would support a sub-argument about the topic. I gave an example on the website, for instance, about writing about happiness and Bobby McFerrin's song, Don't Worry, Be Happy. And I showed that you could find research in a psychology journal about how happiness affects your health. That could support a sub-argument about the effectiveness of that song. So that's the kind of thing that I'd like you to do in the next couple of weeks. Generate ideas that you can use in your 4th and final essay, and then, after you've done all that, see if you can copy and paste some of that stuff into the actual essay as you're developing it. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, ask me a question, send me an email, let me know what your concerns are, and I'll help you out.